Today we're looking at how you can use social media to drive bookings. This is the Manor. They're based in Aylesbury and it's a restaurant and bar. And what they've done is they've got a brand new menu, and this is just such a good way to introduce it. So what they've done is they've cooked all of the dishes that are on the menu, and they've put them all out on the table. So I think it just really shows off the food at its best. It looks beautiful. You can really see the variation. You can see the sheer amount of options that people have. And then here, obviously in the caption, they put, have you tried our new winter tapas menu yet? If not, please book by the link in our bio. So they've kept it really, really simple because it's all about the food. It's a great way to introduce and showing a sample of every dish. And I think pictures of food really make people want to eat there. It makes people love to see, I guess, what they want before they get there. And with it being a new menu, it means that people are much more likely to tag friends in the comments as to, who they would like to go for a meal with. As you can see, people have put this here. So it's just such a lovely idea, and I think it's something that anybody could replicate. Now, if I was the Manor, what I'd want to do is have a look at how I can engage within my location. So they're based in Aylesbury. So what they'd be wanting to do is to drive more local followers. And the best way of doing that is to find other businesses that have a good, solid engagement on social media. So I would go to maybe, and I would go to engagement and go to engage. And then in here, you can choose groups or locations. So I would choose location and put in Aylesbury. And then you press this little button here, and that's the toggle button, and it goes to local. And then here, I can then start to get engaged with people who are getting lots of engagement on social media. There we go. And then it means that, so if it was, I don't know, Rabbit Retail, or say it was The Basement, I could like it, I could comment on it, and it means that these followers are going to start coming back and sort of going, oh, I wonder what the Manor is, if they didn't know. And then Basement are going to like it because I'm giving them a bit of extra engagement as well. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We love to help.